Good day everyone, your Sock Monkey here. Today I've got a video for you of a brand new SUV from Lincoln. The all new Lincoln Nautilus. This is a 5-passenger with a 2.7 liter twin turbo V6. Total price is $54,000, 21 miles to the gallon. Let's check the Nautilus out, shall we? Starting off this vehicle, you do have what appear to be 20-inch wheels on the vehicle. It's in a nice mocha color. You have your Nautilus badge right there. It is locked, so I'm not going to be able to give you inside here, but you do have a nice your auto hold and your push button park here. Nice chrome on the back, and then here's your rear seat with air vents. All-wheel drive, 2.7 liter turbo, EcoBoost engine, Lincoln badge across the back, fuel door, capless fill, nice chrome around the bottom here and along the belt line. Leather wrap steering wheel, panoramic roof, everything that you could possibly expect from their new midsize SUV, the Nautilus. Thank you for watching, guys, and take care.